Okay, in this video we'll take a look at what's in the box of a Synology DS1522 Plus. Just newly bought Synology DS1522 Plus. Okay, inside the box we have another box. Okay, so the outer one is just the shipping box. Nothing else inside. Okay, so that's the DS1522. That's the product box. It's a 5-bay unit, so plenty of slots for building up a RAID array. These are some specs and what's inside the box. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, nicely packaged with different packages. Okay, there's the unit. There's a good protective packaging. Okay, so nothing else in the box. Okay, let's look at so there's two boxes and the unit. So the smaller box has the power cable, and the bigger box has what do we have here? We have the power adapter. So this is a brick external type. So there's 12-volt. Okay, then we have some LAN cables. I think this will be a Cat5 cables, and then the key to lock the drive base. And some screws if you are using 2.5 drives. Then a quick installation guide, which you probably won't need if you follow my videos. Just flip through just in case you're interested. Okay, that's all in the box. That's all we have. Then the unit itself is quite light, so I think mostly plastic, I guess, with aluminium casing, aluminium internals maybe. It's quite light. Okay, so yeah, mostly plastic, that's why it's quite light. I think there's some parts that are metal and steel, but mainly plastic. Okay, so we have 4 LAN ports, then the eSATA for putting the expansion units if you need more slots for the hard disk, and then 2 slots for the NVMe slots. There's the M2 slots for the write read cache. Then we have 5 slots for the hard disk. So these are the toolers base, just clips into place. Okay, so inside, what do we have? Okay, so the memory modules are both accessible. There are 2 memory module slots. Both are accessible from the inside, so no disassembly required to upgrade the memory, which is a nice thing, so it's convenient. Nothing on the other side, just vents for ventilation. Then the bottom would be the M2 slots for the SSDs and NVMe. I'm not sure whether is it SATA. I don't think it's SATA. Should be the NVMe M2 drives. Okay, then the drive tray just clicks into place. Okay, so that's the unboxing.